Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time I have not posted anything. Well, I was been really caught up with so many things. Finally, I started with the channel again, and thank you so much guys for all the support these days. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe as there are a lot many new things coming up. So for today's video, as I was making something after a long time, I wanted to try something very simple and easy. And I was going through some really cool tissue paper painting all over the Pinterest. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. So I got a canvas board. I made a drawing. Please ignore my messy overlap drawing. I made a layers of heart shape here. Now you just need some water and grab for the last two portion, making the mixer a bit darker again. This time I'm adding 2 to 3 drops of red color and a very tiny drop of black color as well. So here goes the whole product. I guess my one side is yet to dry. But so that's it guys. Looks really cute. I made the whole thing in just 5 to 20 minutes. It's a really cool DIY in your free time. Subscribe for more. See you in the next week. Bye bye.